Hey there! If you're considering using Pocket Prep to study, you're on the right path. Pocket Prep offers exam prep for over 100 exams across a variety of industries. Our app uses science-backed study techniques to help you learn and retain the information you need for test day. Each question is written by a subject matter expert to closely mimic what you'll see on the actual exam. Easy to use and intuitive, the app gives members several different study modes. Try taking a quick 10 quiz, 10 questions, and you're done. You can also try a timed quiz, depending on how much time you have to study. When you only have a few moments, the question of the day is perfect. There are also in-depth answer explanations, so even if you get it wrong, you're still learning. You can also customize your experience with options like taking a quiz made up of only missed questions, or taking a quiz that focuses on only your weakest subjects. There's even an option to build your own quiz. Pick the subjects and questions you want to focus on. You can always check your study stats to see how well you're doing by subject and where you need more focus. If you'd rather study on your computer or tablet, all the same features are available on the web. With Pocket Prep, you can be sure that our questions are exactly what you need to pass your exam. Our proprietary process, Source Prep, assures our content is always accurate and original. When you're ready to study, we're here to help. Download Pocket Prep today.